Alright, what's going on, guys? Forgot to film my intro also for this one. So, this video, we're going to be picking off basically after the downpipe installed 335i, and hope you enjoy it. It's kind of like a longish kind of video in which me and Jessie are just really just talking, per se, but there's some key things he say that's going to be really important for the future. So if you hear anything in the background, my mom just got home, so right now we're about to cook and have dinner. But hope you enjoyed the video. Alright, hopefully y'all can see me. Sorry about that. His car, for whatever reason, the app don't work like it should, so he's letting me drive it to see how I feel. I think this is a stage 2 tuner. I was not expecting that. Let's see how this fish feels. I'm trying to turn the radio off, but it literally resets itself. So we in sport mode. Let's see how it does, shall we? Holy shit. This car's fucking fun, bro. Marble tune as usual. It wouldn't be a BMW without that, so. That don't sound that good. I don't know what the fuck that is. Oh. The exhaust drone. I don't know if y'all can hear that. That don't sound good at all. Like, oh my god, that sounds terrible. I'm going to try to pull in and not tear up his front bumper since this car sits so fucking low. Do a 1-2 coming back. There is a leak somewhere. I think it's power steering, and I think the radio's about to restart back. Yep, radio's restarting back over here. So, alright, so here we go. We're gonna go down to 1. It did, but I'm gonna let you drive it because
you said it did.
It did, but it's
still on stage 2 too. I didn't put no, it's on stage 1. I didn't put stage 2 in yet.
So I put it in this mode and I tried to shift it and it wouldn't let me shift, so it actually went the red line and then it shifted. But does it feel like this thing's got DCT? Because it shifts like that.
Stage 3 too. XHP stage 3. I'll put stage 4 in when we race it. It just keep like, it's like
but
much quick, don't it?
Yeah, dude. I'm gonna get his reaction. Holy shit. He's used to it, so hold on.
Wait. Should I put stage 2 in? Go to the house. I'll be back. Wait, here. Get the Mustang key.
This man's got a 335 E35 for a while. I actually like E39s better, but
Yeah, I do like that body style. Roll the window.
let me see if I can. Sorry about that, y'all. See if I can put the better lens for both.
Bro, I can't get this boy to do launch control to save my life.
Let's go try launch control. All right.
Ready?
Yep. You drove it before and you drove it now. This is stage 1, right?
Yeah.
On 93.
Yeah.
How does it feel? Oh, by the way, guys, apologize for that rattle. It's this back
It's that cup holder.
back cup holder, which we're gonna try to fix later, but
Try to smooth it over here.
I'm still mad as hell. So, explain to them how much you got this car for again.
1,000? Wait, no, my bad. 1,200. But I got a 45-inch smart LG TV in the backseat.
So, he got this is a 335 with the N55, not N54. So, we're just doing down pipes on it, but I think he's about to. Does it only do it when it's closed?
It does it all the time.
Okay. I didn't see any cops in the window before.
Did you go up Pulaski?
No, I just went up here to the U-turn.
Okay, Pulaski. I'm going to research, goddammit.
I don't want to be too long.
It's perky as shit.
I know. It's so fucking responsive. Like,
I like that shit.
granted, this is an N55 car on a stage 1 93 tune with, what did you say? It was
Talking about the trans.
trans. That's what stage?
XHP trans 3. I mean, pack 3.
Okay, and just with this, I can go ahead and let you know and let them know. I've driven plenty of DSG cars at the dealership. This feels like a DSG car, and it's not DSG.
When they challenge it, bring your ass back.
Like, that's what I'm just surprised about with trans tuning. That's why Nick wants to get it done for his Primera. This motherfucker so damn
I'm gonna stop at the shell and put stage 2 on. You think I'm playing?
quick. But alright, we'll be back. When we come back, he's gonna put stage 2 on. We're gonna see if there's a difference. So, but like we were just saying, so we've been around people with fast cars, and there's like older fast cars, like, you know, what I'm trying to build basically with my Z. But this is that kind of like new car fast, which, I mean, I like new car fast, but the problem is there's always a lot of shit that can go wrong. And depending on what manufacturer, you know, like what we just experienced, trying to put a downpipe on an N55. Now, mind you, if this was an N54, it would have been much worse. It's twin.
My nose running from being outside.
But, I mean, even before the downpipes, this car is fun. And it's a nice peppy car. Because, I'm not going to lie, I kind of want a 135 just because it's small wheelbase, but I don't know. We'll see. But
We could be Beamer Bros.
I really wanted an E39. I really wanted it. Because that's what my mom had a 530. But I would like a 540 with the, I think it's a 4.4 V8 manual.
That's not even like the pop tune. I got it on like OEM sub, like all the way down, like, cause I didn't want no pops.
What the fuck? Well, damn. I guess that's just from Lexus. Alright, well, next clip, you're gonna see us from, he's gonna go to the Shell station and low stage 2. We're gonna see how much of a difference it makes. So, all right, we back. So he decided to probably do something he shouldn't have did, but he uploaded the stage 2 93 tune on it. So we're gonna see what this thing does. I'm willing to bet this thing probably is actually gonna spin instead of doing what it's been doing. But I don't know.
Keep in mind, it's already kind of heat soaked.
Yeah, but does that app have a wideband controller? I mean, does it have gauges for like your wideband?
I think so. I just have to set it up with the app.
Okay. If so, like I said, you just need to get like a little tablet dash.
I can do it right here.
Oh, you're good. IAT 75 right now. All right, here we go.
I took off in second. Oh, watch out, cause you know they love sitting in this little spot up here.
Oh, I know. You don't gotta tell me.
Hey, Shay, though, for real.
I keep forgetting these things. These new cars got that coolant temp so high. So it looks like it's high in your gauge, but it's not.
I was wondering about that. I was gonna start looking on forums, but
As long as you see your tire gauge and right there, whatever your pressure is set to there, you're good. So. As long as it's not on this right side, you can punch it real quick. Now, just to let everyone know, we're doing pools in Mexico. So,
North Mexico.
North Mexico. So, we're not going to do anything to endanger other people. But this is what I'm planning on doing with the Z. Because with the Mega Squirt, I can, it's peaking at 12. Oh shit, no, it's spiked up to 15.
Oh, misfire, wasn't it?
Yep, your IATs are good, but you're right, it's probably heat, so you haven't enough close when you're down this car, have you?
That's what I said. I gotta get the one-step coder plugs, coil pack, dip.
Oh shit.
One-step coder plugs, coil packs, and the low pressure fuel pump.
Low pressure, high pressure?
Low pressure. That's what they tell me.
Oh, the one in the tank. Not the one that's on the engine, right?
Yeah.
Okay. That makes
It's like
sense.
a 45-minute job. I actually looked it up. This time they actually seem easy.
The ones in the tank usually aren't that bad. Alright, we're gonna do it from a dig here. Hitting brake boost and then I saw that, I knew that was gonna happen. God damn. That bitch is really aggressive now. So the way that just pulled, I'm gonna go ahead and let you know right now, that felt like a GT.
But you know, I'm having misfires too.
Exactly. I'll go ahead and tell you right now, I rode in Julian's car. You'll get him from a one. Or from a
I
dig.
think I'm gonna just drop it down back to stage 1 plus until I get the
downpipes and everything else.
the intercooler put on for sure. You know, my temperatures look good, but I don't like misfires.
I got you.
We can check my graphs in a second and actually see what it was.
Let me check her down a little quick. case y'all don't know what I'm doing, he's you got MHD.
Yeah.
So he has MHD loaded on his E92. So I'm looking at his data logs right now to check everything that he was doing, see if everything correlates and looks fine. I couldn't see fuel pressure, but ITs look okay. But let's see.
You can see that misfire. See how it dropped?
Yeah.
Everything spiked up, then dropped.
You're I can't think of the name. Oh, AFR is sitting about 12 to 13, so you're not lean for the first 2 runs. But the second one, I mean the third one, was...
Hey, they're trying to tell me it's cold outside. I know that.
We've been outside for I don't even know how long. That's probably a cup. Yeah, your AFRs are almost 14 now, so it is heat soaking. But you know, it's just we getting used to it, or you getting used to it. So
This team car right told me we're gonna build this, but we're gonna get out there. Let's take it the pure stage 2 turbo. Gee, Lord have mercy.
I mean, at that point in this area, there'd be a bunch of cars that you beat. Alright, sorry about that. I was trying to film the outro and the GoPro file just like completely corrupted. So, but if you made it this far, I'm glad you made it to the end of the video. Like I was trying to say, the original clip, I have a bunch more videos coming out. I do apologize. Like, I literally have at least 10 videos downloaded on my phone. But between everything I have personally going on, between school, work, and having to take care of this house and the other house, all the other activities I'm doing that I do document and record on a GoPro, it does take a lot. I am getting more comfortable editing, so starting from now, I think I'm going to try to edit, or I'm going to try to post every other day. So today is Thursday. I'll start having a video go up like Saturday, then Monday, Wednesday, etc., etc. I might have some posted before then, or I might have like some videos might be like day after day, back to back. But I'm trying to get more consistent with it. So if you do like the video, go ahead, hit that like button and share it with your friends. Hopefully they'll like content I'm going to be putting out, because we got a bunch more stuff coming out. And if you want to, go ahead and subscribe. And yeah, we'll see you on the next one. Peace out.